Igbo Jingles with Oidia. This is that channel where we learn everything you need to know about the Igbo language. And today we are continuing our series on learning the greetings in Igbo, meaning Ikele Onye, Ikele Onye. And today we are going to learn Ikele Onye meere Ihe Oma, meaning it's an action. Ikele means it's an action word. So here don't be confused, because here says Ikele, then this one says Ikele, meaning this is the noun and this is the verb, the action word. So now we are going to do the first one, Ikele Onye meere Ihe Oma, meaning greetings to someone for good deeds. Make somebody to appreciate somebody for whatever they did for you. So the first one we say Imela. Imela. Imela simply means thank you, well done, thank you. And we as well say again Dalo. 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 Dalo simply means also thank you. And there's another way we say we appreciate someone that did good deed to us is Ka Chukwu gozie gi. Ka Chukwu gozie gi, meaning may God bless you. Chukwu means God. Gozie means bless. Ka Chukwu gozie gi. Ka Chukwu gozie gi means may God bless you. Another way we say we appreciate somebody that did good deed to us is Kanka. We say Kanka o. Kanka means live long. And the last but not the least, we say Anwuchula. Anwuchula means do not die untimely. Mean do not die untimely, that you will live long to see the good, to reap your good works. Anwuchula. Anwuchula. Do not die untimely. And that is where we're going to end today's lesson on Igbo Jingles with Oidia. But before we end today's lesson, let's do a recap of what we did today. Remember, it's a continuation of a series where we are learning the greetings in Igbo language. And then we learned today Ikele Onye meere Ihe Oma, meaning greeting to someone for their good deeds. And then first one we say Imela. Imela. And we'll say Imela means thank you. And we'll say Dalo. Dalo as well means thank you. Ka Chukwu gozie gi, meaning may God bless you. Ka Chukwu gozie gi means may God bless you. Kanka, live long. So another one is Anwuchula. Do not die untimely. And this is where we are going to end today's lesson on Igbo Jingles with Oidia. But before I go, may I remind you to practice, to learn, to recommend, to subscribe this channel to your loved ones, even especially people that are not where Igbo is the spoken language. And see you next time. Ke mesiano. Bye-bye. Igbo Jingles with Oidia.